legendary video. The smile. Oh God, a smile.
I feel attacked. What the heck? How can you be so pretty?
Sogzina. Sogzina.
Sir? Sir?
Annyeonghaseyo yorobun. My name is Priyanka and welcome back to the Orange Couch Reaction. Well, today we have someone special with us. We have my sister, Mankne. She's a Chotu army. Yeah, come on. I'm excited because I have her with me and we are going to react to BTS videos, like BTS Jin TikTok videos. So, please introduce.
Hey guys, I'm Niyati. Nice to meet you. So I basically started my K-pop journey with BTS. My auntie introduced me to them. And yeah, since then it's just been a journey.
See, see how powerful armies can be. I introduced her to BTS K-pop and she's happy. Well, I hope you'll be happy too after we watch the BTS Jin TikTok videos because it is Seokjin, right?
Yes.
And it's going to be
Legendary
video. So, let's get started. He's so cute, right?
Yes.
And the flying kiss. Oh, the hearts, mandatory Jin hearts. I love this step. This is like, the Jin step.
Iconic stars.
Oh, iconic step. And this one also. He's so cute.
How can a person be so cute?
So cute. He's not acting his age, but that's so cute. But when he... So cute. So nice. He's actually, the oldest brother they need. Like the young he is. He is so caring and so nice. Right?
Yes, I agree. I couldn't agree more.
Yes. Oh, so cute. He'll take care sabka.
Yes.
So nice.
How can a person be so nice?
So nice. He's so nice. The song is so accurate. Oh, and Jin Eat.
Legendary.
Legendary Jin Eat. Like, Chabi he'll eat na.
Eat Jin.
Eat Jin. So cute.
How can a person be so cute even while eating?
Even while eating, right?
Yeah, I agree.
The fact that he eats a lot, it's a good thing. He
It's a
like
good thing.
touch
He
wood.
should be healthy.
You should be healthy, but he does not show weight gain sign or anything. Like particularly me, I'm very picky eater. Yeah, I am.
Same.
Yeah, but God,
Yes.
the smile. Oh God, a smile.
I feel attacked.
Yes.
Yes.
Model Jin. Just so perfect, like every structure, every part, face ka.
It's just perfect.
Perfect, like, The worldwide shoulder, worldwide handsome, whatever you want to name him,
Yeah.
he is that.
What the heck? How can you be so pretty? How?
He's so pretty. Oh my God.
Sir, how?
Like, he was cute 2 seconds pehle.
And
Like,
hot.
if you see, like, 2
How can a person be cute and hot at the
same time? Like, so cute, so hot. Jin. The slow motion is something that I live for. Like Jin, slow motion.
I couldn't agree more.
So nice.
Wow.
Like fans did so much efforts in making this and
That iconic hair flip.
The
Oh my
hairstyle
god.
he does this, you know, always
Yes.
like the long hair Jin.
The long hair Jin is amazing.
I want his long hair back.
Yes.
Cut diya, but just grow back, Jin.
Yes,
Grow your hair
I
back.
agree.
It's eat Jin.
Jin.
Like
It's so cute.
so cute. Like he always does this, you know, bada, like the entire
powder
cake,
thing.
the cake thing. He'll cut half, and the smaller part he'll keep it, and,
And
he'll
he'll
take
eat
the
the
bigger
bigger
part
part.
for himself. this stingray wala thing. He's a true entertainer, right?
Yes.
Like
Yeah.
oh god, why?
What?
Why are you showing
the heck?
that? You haven't seen that clip?
No, I couldn't see
No,
it.
you couldn't. Okay, let me go back.
It's
Yes.
a masterpiece.
It's a masterpiece. Watch it again.
Yes.
Perfect. So perfect.
Amazing.
Like there are some people who actually say like, you know, Jin can't dance that
The
well.
heck?
The heck no. He's better dance than me.
You can't even dance, so then shut up.
Why are you being so offended? Don't be so. In suits. Jin in suit.
Sign me up.
He's like, he has a proper proportionate body
Yeah.
with a handsome
The
face.
hourglass body.
The hourglass body, what they say, yeah.
Yeah.
And each looks like, you know, the
Yeah.
her picture ke saath, each look
Yeah.
is like so perfect for him. Like it's actually suiting like the casual look, the
I agree.
and this video gives the vibe
Yeah.
of going out with him and taking pictures for him.
Yes.
Like, I am ready to take your picture.
Sir, please sign me up.
Sokjina, Sokjina, Suki Suki. Oh. So cute.
Yes.
He's actually getting so shy after doing all that.
Yeah.
Can I be the water bottle, please?
Yes. Can I be the mic?
You want to be the mic? I want to be the water bottle.
If not anything, the dhakkan of the bottle at least.
Fine. Can you imagine he's the oldest in the group?
No,
right?
he looks like the youngest.
Yes. He makes everyone so happy.
Yes. He's the entertainer of the group.
Entertainer of the group. And he's letting all the Mankne do whatever they want to
Yeah.
do with him. Like so patient. And his
Commercially.
eye smile.
Everything.
Everything, basically, yeah, everything.
Yes.
This filler ad. Hats off.
That's it.
We live for such videos.
Yes.
So good.
He was just cute a second ago. How are you so hot?
Yeah. Oh, this dance. He, you know, he's a vibe. He is a vibe. Like, he won't care for whatever
Yeah.
thing.
He doesn't care how people like
Judge him, yeah. He'll just give whatever. Like, right now, there are so many people around him. Like, they
Yeah.
all are celebrities, and he's not giving a single shit about them.
Yes.
And now, look at the way he's going to dance. He is the party.
Yes.
Like, Jin is the party.
Jin is the whole party. Like
Yeah. The push bear. Oh.
I feel attacked.
Same.
Sore. Sore.
Oh God. The rose.
Iconic.
Yes. Oh. Dvechta. Yeah. He's sitting so casually, like look at him.
So
he's
elegantly. Like, how can a person be so,
so
elegant?
elegant. Oh, and the food. I want to.
I want to be that person. Or else his glasses at least.
Okay. I want to have a husband like this. Like, you would actually
Yes.
cook for me so.
I agree.
Oh, is that his father? I don't know.
Probably.
I guess that was his father.
Probably.
Okay. He's killing it. There's this something when he wear white. He just broke it, right?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, he broke it.
He
He's
broke
like, I
the
don't give a
entire
shit.
thing. I don't give a heck.
Again, Jin in white.
It's legendary.
Oh, you remember this? There were armies upstairs,
Yes,
and he was
yes.
just trying to see if he'll get
Yeah,
a reaction
from the backstage. The
backstage. And
backstage.
vocals.
Yes.
Jin vocals. And I love this song actually,
Yes.
this specific part. Give him more lines,
Yeah.
Like he already has,
I
but give
agree.
him more lines. He
Yes.
sings so well. Like the vocals, the lamba vocals that he
Yes,
actually
yes. Even the high notes.
Yes. He does not even look like he's going to turn
Yeah.
30.
Yeah, how
He's turning
are you?
30.
He looks like he's just gonna turn 21.
21, right?
He's aging backwards.
Yes. Can we do that? Can I do that?
Can I do that?
You're still young.
No, I mean, I'm not gonna
He's
be
a
young
very good
forever.
actor too.
Yes.
And the aegyo he does,
Yeah.
no one can win him.
No
with
one,
the
no
aegyo.
one.
No one. Jin and aegyo.
Iconic.
So cute.
Wow.
Oh, that pout. So cute. I was like pulling his cheeks.
Yes.
So many faces. And
That's
then
the
there's-
iconic face.
And perfect face. There's
Yes.
perfect face. It's like so photogenic.
Yes.
Oh, I remember this. I cannot take Jin.
I feel attacked, sir.
He's so cute, sexy, hot. And the man, he always
Yes.
does this pose. This pose and
Iconic.
his a bit crooked. And this, his, even, you know, him
That
being
is-
stupid,
It's also cute.
it's also cute.
like
it's
if we do that, we'll be called stupid.
2013, 14. He's not aging at
Yeah.
all. Like,
I
look at
agree. He's just aging
16.
backwards.
He's aging backwards for some
Yeah.
reason. 17,
18.
so perfect. Not a single
Yes.
blemish.
Yes. How?
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 Like, is it over?
Yes.
But I guess that was a perfect ending
Yes.
video showing us that, you know, Jin does not age.
Yes.
Like,
He just ages backwards.
he just, not even backwards, I just feel like he's glowing more.
Yeah.
Like, you know, it's just something about him that makes
him
me-
special.
him special and love him more.
Yes.
Right? Yeah, and you being the mangne right now between
Yes.
us, and he's like definitely oppa to you.
Yes.
So, what do you feel about Seokjin oppa?
Everything.
Everything, like say something. Like what? Everything do you feel? Like what do you like Seokjin oppa? Like
He's just amazing.
he's amazing and
He's legendary.
legendary. Okay, legendary. That's a nice one. That's a nice one.
I know, right?
Yeah. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked our reaction between, you know, army sisters. Well, if you did, like and comment down below which next member do you want us to react to. Well, and until then, Jamshivan Kidaria Chisayo. Annyeong.
Hey guys, I'm Niyati. Nice to meet you. So I basically started my K-pop journey with BTS. My only interest
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Should I start?
Yeah.